morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing some winds starting to increase across the region. Winds just below wind advisory criteria currently, but could be seeing a wind advisory for a short time this morning before winds die down this afternoon. No chance of precipitation or lightning today. And temperatures will be mild in the mid-50s for highs. Our current sounding from this morning, freezing level around 3,900 feet. Winds out of the northwest and low levels between 20 and 30 knots, and then decreasing at 6,000 feet before we increase out of the west and up to about 50 knots at 12,000 feet. Continuing increase up to 66 knots out of the northwest, 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis shows high pressure over the area that's going to be in the region today, and then a cold front moves to the area for tomorrow, giving us some mild and breezy conditions with a very slight chance of a sprinkle, and we'll see high pressure of Canadian origin building for Sunday, giving us much colder weather across the region. And taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see we do have some stratocumulus to fairly well cumulus clouds across the region currently. That's going to be the case throughout much of the morning into the early afternoon hours today. But overall, just going to see lots of sunshine across the region. Looking at a European model for the next few days, looking at that high pressure moving off the coast for today into tomorrow, with a cold front moving through for tomorrow late afternoon. Very slight chance of a sprinkle, but with that cold front, we'll see a sharp drop in our temperatures for our Saturday late afternoon and evening. Sunday, temperatures only in the 30s for highs, so much colder. Monday, we'll see a moderation to the atmosphere with temperatures back in the lower 40s. And then Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll see a system develop across the Mississippi Valley, moving into the Great Lakes, and that's going to give us some warmer air across the region, as well as a chance of showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday. And then Thursday, we'll see some cold air vection moving into the region, giving us some breezy northwesterly winds, as well as some slightly cooler temperatures. So looking at our risk chart today, high of 54, low tonight of 42 during the evening hours, and temperatures rising overnight in the into the mid-40s. Looking at our winds, we'll see those northwesterly winds at 11 to 16 knots this morning, gust of 24 knots, a yellow for our winds, so looks like we'll be just under wind advisory criteria, but can't rule out a brief period of a wind advisory for this morning. Temperatures will winds will die down this afternoon at the west-northwest, 9 to 14 knots, gust to 20 knots. Then we'll turn out of the south for later on this evening, and then back to the southwest overnight, 10 to 15 knots, gust to 21 knots. Our terminal forecast will see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. Lots of sunshine today, and we'll see a good amount of sunshine for tomorrow morning before we see a bit more cloud cover for the afternoon hours. Our tides are currently running normal for Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy and breezy. Very slight chance of an afternoon sprinkle. Mild, high 62 degrees. Red for our winds here, looking like winds will be over 25 knots for Saturday. Saturday night, mostly cloudy and breezy early, becoming mostly clear and cold, a low of 25. And for Sunday, mostly sunny and cold, a high of only 38 degrees. Those winds on both Saturday and Saturday night look to be strongest post-cold front. So looking like during the late afternoon or the evening hours on Saturday, into the early evening hours to the early overnight hours of Saturday night, looks like will be the breeziest time period for this forecast here. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the 50s today, 60s tomorrow, back into more of a winter type pattern for Sunday and Monday, temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, and then back into the warmer weather for Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures in the mid 50s to lower 60s on Tuesday. Tuesday looks like we'll have windy conditions, chance of showers and thunderstorms, 60% chance of some rain showers in the area. So looking like Wednesday is an active weather day. And then for Thursday, we'll see some post-cold front northwesterly winds across the region. That's going to give us some windy conditions, as well as some partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the lower to mid-50s as of right now. Some of the guidance is showing some much colder air moving in the region for Thursday afternoon, but we'll continue to monitor that forecast as we get closer to late next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.